Okay, here it comes. Okay, throw it to me. All right, here it comes.
Throw it far.
Wow.
Throw it far. Very far.
Good catch. Wow. How old are you?
5.
Oh. Okay. Wait, this is a long bomb.
Uh-oh. Long bomb. Long bomb.
Almost.
I'm going to do a long bomb.
Oh, we missed it. All right, I'm going to throw him one more bomb. He's very good at this. He's 6 years old. I'm sorry, he's 5 years old. He's going to be 6 soon. Okay, you ready, big guy?
Yeah.
Holy cow! That was great. Let me come in close for a close-up. Wait, come here. He's running away. Give me 5.
Ready, set, go!
What in the world? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye, guys.